So you want to turn your passion for drones into a profitable business, but you're not sure how to get started. Maybe you've flown a few drones or done some paid gigs, but taking that next step feels overwhelming. In this video, we'll give you the roadmap to launch and grow your drone business, from defining your niche to pricing your services and landing clients. All of the information comes from our newest course, the Drone Business Blueprint, led by industry expert Eno Umoh. Eno has trained over 18,000 students and worked on projects in 26 countries and understands just how difficult it can be to start a drone business. His step-by-step strategies will take you from struggling to find clients to establishing a profitable niche with real actionable tactics that work. And stick around because we'll share an exclusive ChatGPT prompt to create a custom business plan in minutes. This is the same tool we provide in our Drone Business Blueprint course, and it'll save you hours of planning. By the end, you'll have a clear path forward. So let's fly in. To build a successful drone business, the first step is identifying your niche. A niche is a specific market segment where your drone services can really stand out. Instead of trying to serve everyone, narrowing your focus allows you to tailor your offerings to meet the unique needs of a specific group, making your business more relevant and attractive. This strategy not only helps you become an expert, but also positions you as a go-to provider in a crowded market. It's perfectly fine to experiment with different niches at first. This will help you understand where your strengths lie and how the market responds. Whether you're leveraging past professional experience or jumping into a new industry, finding the right fit is key. Next, let's talk about your avatar, your ideal customer. An avatar is a detailed profile of who you're trying to reach. By focusing on your customer's demographics, values, and problems, you can create messages and services that solve their needs. This focus will improve engagement, increase sales, and lead to more success. When you know your niche and understand your ideal customer, you build a stronger brand and a more profitable business. A business plan isn't just a document you write and forget. It's a living guide that helps steer your decisions and grow your drone business. And with AI tools like ChatGPT, creating a business plan has never been easier or faster. But why is a business plan important? Studies show that businesses with a plan are 71% more likely to grow quickly and 260% more likely to start their business. A strong plan also helps you get loans and investment. Your business plan should include important parts like an executive summary, services, market analysis, and financial projections. These help you see your goals clearly, attract clients, and set you up for success. So you've nailed down your niche, identified your ideal client, and now it's time to build a solid business foundation. One of the most powerful tools we include in the Drone Business Blueprint is a customizable ChatGPT prompt that helps you create a complete business plan for your drone business. Let me show you how it works. And heads up, this prompt is a game changer. So once you're in ChatGPT, type out this prompt, while of course replacing the text in brackets with your own business information. Create a comprehensive business plan for blank, a licensed drone company based in blank that specializes in blank. The specific niche is blank, and my ideal customer is blank. Include a detailed executive summary, description of the business, mission statement, vision statement, market analysis, detailed marketing plan, sales funnel overview, competitive analysis, service offerings, and financial projections. Use SMART goals to define the overall strategy. And then hit submit and let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. It'll generate a detailed plan that's tailored to your business. Then you can ask it to refine any part of the plan, whether it's making the marketing strategy more detailed or adjusting your financial projections. Here's an example of the prompt filled out. Just remember that the more detail you go into, the better the answer will be. So if you want to create a business plan in minutes, try this out. And for more helpful tools and prompts like this one, check out the Drone Business Blueprint, where we go deeper into how to build and scale a thriving drone business. Link below. When you're running a drone business, creating good offers, proposals, and contracts is important for getting clients and protecting your business. An offer is a simple description of the services you'll provide, including what you'll do and how much it costs. A clear offer helps you stand out and shows the client exactly what they're paying for. A proposal goes further. It includes multiple offers and more details like your plan, timeline, and examples of past work. This helps convince the client to choose your services. Finally, the contract puts everything in writing. It makes sure both you and the client know what's expected, including what you'll deliver and how you'll get paid. This protects your business. Each step, from offer to contract, builds trust with your client. Pricing your drone services can be a bit complex, but getting it right is key to growing your business. Your pricing needs to reflect the value you offer while covering all operational costs. Factors like your experience level, equipment, certifications, and the complexity of the job all come into play. Experienced pilots can charge more because they bring skill and safety to the job. Using advanced drones and technology can also justify higher prices. Don't forget to include costs like fuel, insurance, and wear and tear on your equipment, along with any legal requirements. In some industries, like real estate, construction, or agriculture, you can charge more for specialized services. To set the best pricing, research your local market and see what other drone pilots are charging. This gives you a baseline to work from. Our drone project profit template, included in the course, helps you calculate all your costs and ensures you're aiming for at least a 30% profit margin. By building a solid pricing strategy, you'll make sure your business stays competitive while staying profitable. When starting your drone business, it's critical to stay organized and on top of your client relationships. That's where a CRM, or customer relationship management system, comes in. A CRM helps you track leads, manage client interactions, and stay on top of follow-ups, all in one place. Whether you use a simple spreadsheet or special CRM software, having a system helps you stay organized, respond quickly, and give better service to your clients. A CRM lets you organize leads, manage follow-ups, and track your sales. It helps you stay on top of things and send the right message to each client. Over time, it can also help with smarter marketing by grouping clients based on what they like. In our Drone Business Blueprint course, we give you a ready-to-use CRM template and show you how to use it to manage clients and improve your sales. Finally, testimonials are more than nice words. They show you that your drone services really work. In a busy market, good testimonials help you stand out by building trust with new clients. To get testimonials, make it easy for happy clients to share their thoughts. You can ask them, send follow-up emails with a review link, or use good comments from social media. Keep it simple so they can give feedback quickly. Once you have testimonials, put them where people can see, on your website, in ads, or in videos. Use them to fit different industries or projects, and update them often to keep your business trusted and remembered. Overall, our mission at UAV Coach is to help commercial drone pilots not just pass the test, but truly succeed in the industry. The Drone Business Blueprint is designed to give you that roadmap you need to start bringing in clients and build a successful business. In the course, you'll engage with 14 comprehensive modules covering everything from business setup to marketing strategies, all tailored specifically for the drone industry. Plus, access 30 downloadable resources, worksheets, and templates to put your learning into action and move your business forward. Right now, for just $119, you can buy the Drone Business Blueprint and get Drone Pilot Skill Builder absolutely free through October 3rd. Don't miss out on this incredible deal to kickstart your drone business. Learn more through the first link below. And we'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments where you are in your drone business journey and what your next big goal is. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.